Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 38. Dear children, today we will read about ordinal numbers. Read aloud the numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Let me tell you that the numbers that show the order are called ordinal numbers. Activity: applying and writing. Circle the given objects according to given ordinal numbers. You see 4 rows here showing 4th, 3rd, 6th, and 5th ordinal numbers. You have only to count objects in relevant row and put a circle around the required object. In the first row, from left to right, fish is the 4th object. In the second row, from left to right, pigeon is the 3rd object. In the third row, from left to right, apple is the 6th object. In the fourth row, from left to right, tire is the 5th object. That's wonderful. STEAM activity. Create a friendly relay race for students, assigning ordinal numbers and encouraging tracking of positions. The teachers are supposed to help the students involved in this interesting activity. Think and tell. If you count 9 things, what is the last one called? Start counting ordinal numbers as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Hence, the last item will be called ninth item. Dear teachers, define and explain what ordinal numbers are and how they are used in everyday life. Show different objects on charts and ask the ordinal numbers of various objects displayed on them. Help them with STEAM activity. Have a nice day.